So after I've designed my magazine inside CorelDRAW, I save as PDF. I save as PDF. I've already saved it. So I've already saved it. Then from there, I proceed to go to this website. This is the first one, flowpaper.com. So go to flowpaper.com. This is flowpaper.com. So from there, from flowpaper, I'll click on get started. Can click on free for first trial. Try for free. Run in Chrome. It's loading. My network is slow. So I've already uploaded it before. So this is it. Can come down, scroll down a little bit. You see where you can upload your magazine. So you pick your magazine and upload it here. So then you choose a template. So you can choose a template. Choose the first one down here. So after you choose the template, it will automatically bring it to here. So from here, you can see it has converted to flipbook effect. So to download this, you will need to upload or you do a screen record at high resolution. So then you can give it to your client. Let's try the second website. This is the second website. Their flipbook. You can see the first one I did. You can see the video. The second site did not want to load. But this is the second site. This one will also allow you to mock up your PDF into flipbook effect. Thank you for watching.